Hello everyone, I am Anand Srivastav. Today we will discuss about the number system. Before number system, we must know what is the numerals and numeration. For numerals and numeration. Numerals, the symbolic representation of numbers, that is called numerals, and the numeration, just writing of numbers in numerals or in symbolic form. Writing of a number in numerals or symbolic form in numerals. Okay. Now from here onwards, we let us move to the how many types of numerals are there. Actually, there are many types of numerals, but we will discuss here only very few types of numerals. These types of Hindu, Arabic numeral system, this is very popular system which are used especially in India, and this numeral system has 10 different symbols which are called digits. By the help of those digits we can write any number. Those digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. By the help of these 10 digits we can write any number in this system. Another system is international numeral system. Here we will use same number of symbols, same digits, but in a different way. Next is Roman numeral system. In this system we use 7 symbols only. By the help of 7 symbols we can write any number, and this system is popular in a writing of numbers in a clock and of a class name. Now let us move to our main topic, that is number system. Today we will discuss number system in details. In that we will discuss first number system is natural number system. Then we will discuss whole number system. Then we will discuss integers. Then we will discuss a rational number. After that we will discuss irrational number. After that a real number system, and at the last we will discuss complex number system. these are the only number system available in mathematics. Up to school level, these are taught by the teachers, and the development of each number system has some idea, because why there are 7 number system, because of the problem we develop another number system. So for this, let us go in details of these number system. First, let us have a natural number system. Natural number system is nothing but our counting numbers which we are using naturally, because this number system came naturally. So this number system is called natural number system, and which have counting numbers. So this number system, we have a family, and we will represent this family of numbers by letter n, and will show it in this way. This number system have counting number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Means there are infinite many numbers are available here. After that, let us go to the another number system, that is called whole number system. For that, let us consider one problem. Suppose whole number system, whole numbers. Suppose one number is given 2 and I subtract 2 from 2. What will we get? We will get nothing, or this nothing is represented by 0. But 0 is still not a member of any number system or any numbers family. So to include this 0, we adopted another number system, that is called whole number system. And whole number system will be represented by W, which will have all the natural numbers with one new member, that is 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. There are infinite numbers. So this one is a whole number system. Okay, now for the integers, let us consider another problem. Integers. Let us consider 2 minus 3. Practically, which is not possible. Suppose 2 items are there and you have to subtract 3 items. But mathematically it is shown as we will subtract the smaller number from the greater number, and 3 minus 2 is 1, and we will give the sign of the greater number, that is minus 1. So till now no family has these types of numbers, means negative of the numbers. So include these numbers to the whole numbers, we will have another number system, that is called integers. So integers will have negative numbers, and from this end there is no end of the negative numbers. Let us minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 and then 0, then 1, 2 and so on. In this way, this number system will have negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. Negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. So this is the another number system called integers. Okay, let us move to the another number system, a rational number system. For this, let us again consider some numbers. Rational number system. For this, consider this 2.5, 3.333, or this can be written as 3.3 bar. You see, in above all natural number, whole number, integers, they don't have these types of numbers. So it means we required another number system in which we can put these types of numbers also. So let us develop another number system, that is called rational number system, which will have this type of numbers, this type of numbers, and all the numbers above already has come in another. So let us define a rational number system which is symbolized at capital. You can say no particular symbol for this rational number system. So a rational number family will have numbers of the type p by q, where q not equals to 0, because in the mathematics when we divide by 0 it is not defined. So first condition is q not equals to 0, and these p and q are integers. Okay, so rational numbers are those numbers which can be shown in the form of p by q, where q not equals to 0 and p and q are integers. For example, this 2.5 can be written as 25 by 10. Denominator is not 0, and 25 and 10 are what? Integers. Similarly, this can be also represented in the p by q form. So these types of numbers are called rational numbers. Another definition for the rational number is, if a number is terminating, meaning of the terminating is that number end up at some place. For example, 2.0 or 3 or 3.35, these are the terminating numbers. But if not terminating, means number does not end after decimal, or this one not terminating, we can write this just 0.333, it comes. Okay, for example, this come how 10 by 3, when we will calculate this 0.333 and goes on. So these type of, this is the non-terminating case. But non-terminating but repeating, so these numbers are not terminating but repeating. So these numbers are rational numbers. So let us again define this. If a number is terminating or non-terminating, terminating but recurring, you can say recurring or repeating, both word are the same, repeating, or you can say recurring also, reoccur, recurring. So these types of number, this is the another definition of the rational number. Now let us go to the another number system, that is irrational system number system. For irrational number system, let us consider some numbers. Irrational numbers. Okay, let us have this number root 2, which is 1.414 and so on, or root 7 or pi. As we know that pi, its approximate value is 3.14 and so on. So till now these numbers are not a member of any family of the number system. So include these, we have to develop another number system, that is called irrational number system. Then what is the irrational number system? Simply we can say the numbers which are not rational is called irrational number system. So the numbers which are not rational are called irrational number system. Numbers, we can define it in that form: irrational numbers in the same way of the rational, where the numbers which cannot be shown as P by Q form, where Q not equals to 0 and P and Q are integers. P and Q are integers. This is one definition. Another definition of this irrational number system is in the another way of in which way we have defined in a rational number system: the numbers which are non-terminating and non-repeating. So let's see here, in both cases it is non, but in case of rational it was terminating. Okay, so for this, these are two definitions of irrational number system. Now let us move to the another number system, that is called the real number system. Actually real number system is nothing but it is a combined family of a rational and irrational number system. So real numbers, it is combined family of rational and irrational numbers. Okay, so and we represent it by R, so R can be written as rational numbers and irrational numbers. Okay, and very interesting, since rational number has an infinite numbers and irrational number has an infinite numbers, there are infinite numbers between two rational numbers. So there are infinite numbers between two real numbers. So it is not possible to write the all the numbers here. So what we adopt? We adopt another way to show the ration, rational and irrational together, or real number on a real number line. What is the real number line, and why we have adopted this real number line to show the real numbers? Because a line has a no endpoints, so that real numbers has also no endpoints from both sides. Infinite positive numbers, infinite negative numbers. There are many numbers between two numbers. So let us define using a line. Line has endless. If I take this side positive direction, this side negative direction, so goes off to infinity. There are infinite numbers. Now we will put 1, 2, -1, -2. Since there are infinite points between two numbers, we can take an example that there are infinite points. It is possible there are infinite points between 1 and 2, and as we know that there are infinite numbers between 1 and 2, real numbers actually between 1 and 2. So each point will represent one real number. So this is the way to represent real numbers. Okay. Now let us move to the another number system, that is the last number system of our today's topic, complex number system. Complex numbers. The development of this number system is to find the solution of this type of equation, x square plus 1 equals to 0. If we go to find the solution of this type of equation, we will not able to find the solution in any of above number system. So because we don't have such type of numbers whose square will be -1. We don't have such type of numbers whose square is -1, because from seeing this we required x square equals to -1 so that it becomes 0. So to solve these type of questions, we have defined some things, that is square of a let us define I is what? It is square root of -1, or you can say I square is -1. This I is called iota. So now the complex number will have the numbers of this type, x plus iy, where x and y are real numbers and I is square root of -1. This type of number system is called complex number system and shown by C. For example, we have 2 plus 2i, which is a complex number, 0 plus 0i, which is complex number. Even 4 is also complex number. Why? 4 plus 0 into I, or 2 minus 3i, or 2 plus root 2i. These all are complex number system. So we have discussed these number system in details. One more point I want to tell you all, that in all these number systems, what happened, the next family will have the previous family in this. For example, whole number will have natural number in this, integers will have natural number and whole number both, and these two, if we combine these two, so we consider real number. So real number will have what? Integers, whole number and natural number in this. Now the complex number will have real number, integers, whole numbers and natural numbers. So this is all about your number system. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. I will try to clear your doubts.